Last night's party turned into a real rager.
Woohoo! Yeah! All right! What a night for a party! I've never seen such a sparkly moon before. It matches my party shirt.
Oh, come on, Squirt. Raise the roof.
Now let's get our Lakebottom bottoms jumping.
Oh, those campers and their delightful hippy-hoppy music. No, not tonight! Not tonight!
What's good tonight?
Well, let me tell you, pal, our special, the Magilla Sunrise. Fruity, bubbly, and only slightly toxic. Your burps will never taste the same.
Woohoo! Toxalicious!
Oh, yeah. I could party all night long. Oh, hello. Not smiling.
Campers, you must shut this party down immediately!
But why?
Legends have been told that on a night just like this, with the disco ball moon, horrible things could happen if there's a party!
Aw, but the disco ball moon is so sparkly! How could horrible things happen when there's sparkles involved?
Because the combination of the disco ball moon and a party summons the party animal.
But who or what is the party animal? Where does it come from?
No one knows! All we know is the party animal never stops getting down once the party starts. It lives off the partier's spirit. And if it gets enough, the party animal will continue to party down forever.
The legends say the only thing that stops the party animal is a lame party.